once your names are called.
The recipients of the following special awards will be receiving a plaque and a certificate of recognition.
May we call on stage our school principal, Ma'am Maria Gina M. Rosena, our assistant school principal, Ma'am Gina Cristobal, Ma'am Ruth G. Yap, and the department heads of the respective departments. This award is presented to the finalists of who showed exemplary performance in the four major phases of research, namely Flax Favorite, Interview, Demonstration Teaching, and Advocacy.
Magtuason ang envelope. Bilis.
Yeah, my heart is beating so fast, Mom Tricks.
Right, I know you are all excited.
So let's not prolong this excitement, Mom Tricks.
Now let's give a huge round of applause to our exceptional educators for their passion and unwavering commitment to excellence in education.
Just like any other competition, only one reaches the top, and whoever that will be is the
First and the most outstanding teacher of Bagong Silangan High School 2024.
so who will be?
The recipient of this award will be receiving a plaque and a certificate of recognition.
Sige. May I ask the MCs to please read the plaque of recognition. The citation on the plaque of recognition. Sige. Sir, ano muna para may suspense? May element of suspense. So, hinahanap pa namin. Go.
Republic of the Philippines, Department of Education, National Capital Region, Schools Division of Quezon City. Bagong Silangan High School plaque of recognition is awarded to the most outstanding teacher during the Kinang Search for the Most Outstanding Teacher Awarding Ceremony pursuant to the Program on Awards and Incentives for Service Excellence. Given this 20th day of March 2024 at the UP Bahay ng Alumni, Quezon City. Signed by Maria Gina Abrasana, Principal Form.
Okay. So when I announce the most outstanding teacher school year 2023-2024, may I request the department of this awardee to please stand and give your best shout to your most outstanding teacher. And of course, may we request the head. Siyempre, kung wala siya na nag-motivate, tama ba ma'am? Sa kanyang teacher ay hindi makakarating dito sa stage ngayon. Kaya akyat dito para kasama siyang magbigay ng award on the most outstanding teacher. And no other than from the ESP department! Oy, ang daming ESP! Oy, ESP department! And this goes to Ma'am Marilyn L. Guevara! May we call on the ESP department to be here on stage.
following the usual order in receiving their plaque of recognition.
Please stay at the center of the stage for the awarding of the plaque of recognition and for the photo op.
Please come forward as you hear your name. May we also request the respective head teachers to be here and master teachers to be here on stage. Republic of the Philippines, Department of Education, National Capital Region, School Divisions of Quezon City, Bagong Silangan High School. This plaque of recognition is awarded to the following teachers as outstanding teacher during the KINA Search for the most outstanding teacher awarding ceremony pursuant to the program on awards and incentives for service excellence given this 20th day of March 2024 at UP Bahay ng Alumni, Quezon City. Signed, Maria Gina M. Rosena, Principal 4.
Let's start with Ma'am Mary Grace T. Falcutila, Teacher 3 from the Science Department.
Sir Julie B. Concepcion, Teacher 3 from the Mathematics Department. May we request Mathematics Math Teacher to be here on stage. Master Teachers, Ma'am Michelle and Ma'am Maureen.
Next is Ma'am Genevieve B. Torres, Teacher 2 from the English Department. May we call on our master teachers, Ma'am Grace and Ma'am Blue, to come on stage.
Next, Ma'am May L. Bukar, Teacher 3 from the ESP Department. May we also request the Master Teacher to be here.
Next is Ma'am Menchi V. Mendez, Teacher 3 from the AP Department. May we request the master teachers of the AP Department.
Next, Ma'am Jennifer R. X-Ray, Teacher 3 from the AP Department. May we also request the Master Teacher to be
Next is Ma'am Rowena E. Nicolas, Teacher 3 from the AP Department.
Next is Sir Eric O. Panibog, Teacher 3 from the Mathematics Department. I request the master teachers to be here.
And Ma'am Davy P. Oganan, Teacher 3 from the Science Department.
Alright, congratulations to our outstanding teachers.
Please step forward as we take this moment to have a photo op with our guest, Dr. Ruth Gia, Sir Ferdinand P. Noble, our school principal, Ma'am Maria Gina M. Rosena, and Assistant School Principal, Ma'am Gina C. Cristobal.
aming lahat. Actually po, hindi po ako nag-prepare talaga ng speech. Kasi hindi po ako, unexpected po talaga. Actually, mas nung kanina, nung anyway po, good afternoon.